What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another episode. Today we are going to be doing $10 versus $10,000 burnouts. That's it. And right here we've got the $10, $100, $1,000, $3,000, and then we've got $8,000 right there, and then the $10,000 right there. Dexter's up first with the $10 thing. We got some soapy water. No, back it up. Come on, hurry up. Pick up the back. No, you do it. Yeah, go. Hold the front brake. This thing sucks. Can't even stay running.
Start me up?
No, you're doing it. Okay, we're gonna watch Dexter try to start it. That was trash.
Don't video in front of the neighbor.
Take the brake off. Why is it so hard? Why is it so hard to push? This guy doesn't even have reverse and he owns a golf cart. Quit hitting the brake. Why is it so hard? No. This video is not gonna be long.
Okay.
More.
Okay, I'll do that. I'll do that. Okay. Start it up. Okay, that was $3,000. Okay, next.
Here we got the $8,000 truck up, and this one's stronger than the $10,000 truck, so it's probably better. And we have to wiggle the cables because the battery connection is not good. Go, Dexter. There we go. Okay. Now we're doing this truck. Okay. Okay, we got the soapy water right here. Make sure it spins. a little bit.
How do you hit the brake? Did it actually do
It started smoking.
No more. It's doing that weird vibration thing.
I can see it. It's not running very good.
Bye. He's in there, guys. He's gonna do it. He's right about my shakiness. Okay, it's getting lined up. Yep. You can't even break. Oh, that was so funny. You actually did it. Look at that. Look at that. Oh man, that's so funny. It was funny.
Thank you everybody for watching. Vote in the comments down below which one was your favorite, and see you in the next one.